Many sextortion victims assume sleep problems are temporary stress, yet weeks later they are still awake at 3 a.m. replaying the threat. Insomnia after blackmail is not random. Clinical research on trauma shows that high-stress events, including online exploitation, can disrupt sleep cycles and trigger hypervigilance, a state where the brain refuses to relax because it believes danger is ongoing. Even after the scam ends, the nervous system stays alert. Victims feel exhausted but unable to rest. This is not imagination. It is a recognized trauma response that affects both the body and the mind. In this video, we'll explain why blackmail can trigger insomnia and hypervigilance, how trauma keeps your nervous system on high alert, and what practical steps you can take to restore sleep and regain control. A nervous system that won't stand down. During sextortion, the brain enters survival mode. Stress hormones flood the bloodstream, increasing heart rate, alertness, and sensory awareness. Hypervigilance is the body's attempt to prevent future harm by staying constantly prepared. When the threat disappears, the brain does not instantly reset. Insomnia patterns may develop after blackmail because the nervous system still expects danger. Nighttime can become especially difficult because quiet environments allow intrusive thoughts to resurface. Victims often report scanning phones repeatedly, listening for notifications, or imagining exposure scenarios. This is not a weakness. It is a biological feedback loop in which the brain reacts to reminders as if the threat is still present. Over time, sleep deprivation intensifies emotional distress, making recovery feel even harder. Triggers that reactivate the fear. Certain experiences can reactivate memories of blackmail and the hypervigilance that followed, even after recovery begins. Phone notifications that resemble the original threat message sound. Darkness and silence that amplify intrusive thoughts at night. Social media reminders connected to the sextortion incident. Unexpected emails or unknown numbers appearing on the screen. Fatigue itself, which lowers emotional defenses and increases fear. These triggers do not mean you are back at square one. They show the nervous system is still recalibrating. Sleep loss erodes emotional stability. Chronic sleep disruption compounds trauma. Ongoing insomnia after blackmail weakens concentration, patience, and emotional regulation. Hypervigilance keeps the body tense, preventing restorative rest. Victims may become irritable, withdrawn, or overly cautious without understanding why. Sleep loss also intensifies anxiety, creating a feedback loop where fear prevents rest and exhaustion magnifies fear. Many victims blame themselves for not moving on, which deepens shame. The danger is not only fatigue. It is the gradual erosion of emotional resilience. Without intervention and support, sleep disruption and hypervigilance can become persistent patterns that prolong recovery. Steps to reset your nervous system. It's natural to struggle with insomnia and hypervigilance after experiencing blackmail, but there are steps you can take to recapture your mental well-being. Consider implementing the following practices. Establish a consistent sleep routine that trains the brain to recognize safety and predictability. Remove phones, laptops, and notification devices from immediate reach during bedtime hours. Use grounding techniques, such as controlled breathing, to interrupt hypervigilance before sleep. Limit late-night social media or email checks that can reactivate insomnia and blackmail anxiety. Create a dark, quiet sleep environment that reduces sensory stimulation and alertness. Seek trauma-informed therapy that directly addresses blackmail and sleep disruption. Work with cybersecurity professionals to secure your digital accounts and reduce the risk of further threats. Rest is part of recovery. Sleep disruption after sextortion is a trauma signal, not a personal failure. Hypervigilance often decreases as the body relearns safety and stability. Recovery is possible with structured support and reassurance. If insomnia and hypervigilance are still keeping you awake, you don't have to handle it alone. The team at Blackmail.HelpLine offers 24/7 assistance for victims of sextortion and cyber blackmail. helping you take immediate action to address the harassment, protect your privacy, and secure your digital life so your nervous system can truly relax. Our experts can work to stop extortion threats and reduce the risk of content being exposed, assist in reporting, removing, and limiting the spread of exposed material online, provide crisis support and investigations so you can focus on healing. If insomnia and hypervigilance are still interfering with your sleep and peace of mind, reach out for help that addresses both the digital threat and your emotional recovery. Call 888-634-1535 or visit Blackmail.HelpLine.com because restoring your rest is part of the healing process. Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at Blackmail.HelpLine.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.